The SITA Cleanliness is our mobile fluorescence measuring instrument for cleanliness control. To make measurement and occasional device maintenance as easy and convenient as possible, SITA offers a range of tailored accessories. Our spacers allow you to measure on flat or curved surfaces, making it easy to maintain the correct measuring distance. With the right spacer, even small parts and grooves can be easily measured. Our spacers are made of anodized aluminum. For surfaces sensitive to scratching, plastic spacers are available. Very robust and easy to clean are the stainless steel versions. Customized spacers can be manufactured on request. Do you need to avoid touching the surface, or do you need to position the measurement with extreme precision? Then non-contact measurement with a stand is the way to go. Our magnetic fine adjustment holder makes this particularly easy. The calibration standards are used for quick and easy on-site instrument testing and adjustment. They are a reliable indicator of whether or not the sensor optics are dirty. In order to clean the sensor optics, when necessary, we have put together a useful cleaning kit. It consists of a bellows, water, acetone and isopropanol of high purity, as well as microfiber tissues and cotton swabs. You want to know which accessory would make the most sense for your measuring task? Contact us for a consultation. We look forward to hearing from you.